Alright guys, so let's get into this. This is the look we're doing today. I use my BH Cosmetics Naughty palette to create this look. I actually really like this palette, so if you guys have not picked it up, it is 100% approved by me. So taking the meringue color right here, I'm going to go ahead and place that on my brow bone. First starting off with this brush just to make sure the color is pretty opaque, and then I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. Alright, so next taking the color Frosting, I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my crease and blend it up into that meringue color, and I'm really going to try to build up this color. Alright, next taking Santa Baby, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease as well and build up this color as well. Alright, taking spiked cider, I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush and just load it up and start putting that on my lid, all over my lid. And then to intensify it and make it more metallic, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some setting spray. This is just my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And I'm going to go ahead and pack that on my lid. Alright, next I'm going to use a pressed pigment. I'm going to take this glitter primer and put a little bit on my finger and just spread it out evenly on my eyelid. And then dip into, I believe it's called Chestnuts. I'm going to dip into this color right here with my finger and just pat that all over my lid. Now, with pressed pigments and pressed glitters, I would suggest doing your foundation afterwards because the glitter or the pigment will get everywhere. I'm taking a nude pencil. This is my Rimmel Nude Scandal Eyes pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline and then switch up my brush to a smaller one and take the color Brick, which is like a dark maroon tone, and put that all on my bottom lash line, and then switch my brush up again for a thinner blending brush and start adding that to my outer corners and start blending it up. Now with a fluffier brush, I'm just going to go ahead and take a little more of the product, not that much, just a very little bit, and just start smoking out the edges. With a small pencil brush, I'm going to go ahead and take Snow Day and pop that in my inner corner. And I'm actually going to go over this color again with Cheers. No eyeliner for this look. If you want eyeliner, you could definitely go ahead and put the eyeliner on, but I decided I like the look without the eyeliner, so I'm just cleaning up all the fallout. I went ahead and put on my lashes, so stay tuned to the end of the video because I do tell you what eyelashes I used. So I'm just going ahead and priming my face with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer and putting on my foundation, which is the N4 foundation. I believe this is a True Match foundation. And then I'm just going to apply that with my beauty sponge. For my concealer to highlight, I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in Light. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the areas I usually highlight and blend it all out with the other side of my beauty sponge. To set all that concealer, I'm going to use my Airspun powder, and this is Translucent Extra Coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over that concealer, and then for the rest of my face, to set it, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Transparent Powder. To contour my face, I'm going to use my Bahama Mama contour powder, and that line on my forehead is from the scarf that I had on earlier. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put that all on. slim down the jaw as well, and don't forget the nose. To bake that contour, I'm just going to go ahead and use some more of that airspun powder, just using my sponge and going along the sides and the center of my nose, and let that bake for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out. I did put powder underneath my contour line as well, just to bring it out even more. So I'm just going to go ahead and buff that all out and then move on to my blush. My blush, I'm using this LA Colors Mineral Blush, and this is the shade Autumn. So I'm going to go ahead and pack that on the apples of my cheeks and then start bringing it up towards my temples. Alright, so I'm just going to brush off all that powder from my nose, and then I'm going to move into my highlight. My highlight today is going to be the Ofra Nikki Tutorials Trio palette, and I'm just taking these two shades right here, mixing them together to highlight my face. You guys already know all the areas I usually highlight, tops of cheekbones, chin, nose, and the middle of my forehead. And then I'm going to set all of that with my Morphe Luminous setting spray, and I cover my eyes because I don't want the spray to get on my lashes. Alright guys, so I am back. I have a top on. I changed my outfit. I went ahead and fixed my wig. I'll get into the wig details in a little bit. For my eyelashes, I didn't show you guys in the video. I put on the mascara Too Faced Better Than SEX mascara, which just looks like this. I put that on first, let it dry, and then I applied my eyelashes. I use the Salon Perfect Pre-Permed Push Up Tight Curl Dramatic Lift lashes in the number 672, and they just look like this. They come 2 in a pack, and I picked them up from Walmart. These are one of my favorites. And then I don't put mascara again on when the eyelashes are on. So I'm in the habit of now of just putting the mascara, then putting my eyelashes on, and just letting them be. I feel as though they still blend in pretty well. With already having the mascara on there beforehand, so I don't put any extra. I don't really like putting the mascara on my eyelashes anymore to marry the two together, because it's just really annoying when you're trying to use the lash again for another look and then you got mascara on the lash already. It's just been annoying me lately, so I've just been avoiding it. As far as my lips, I didn't do anything special. I feel like the eyes were really bold enough, so I didn't want to put anything in my lip. Feel free to do whatever lip you want. A nude lip would look really good with this, or even a burgundy lip would look awesome. But I just used the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme lip gloss, and this just looked like this. It's just clear, and it is one of my favorites. I'm actually running out. I keep on putting it on. And if you guys haven't tried this already, you gotta definitely give it a shot. But be warned, it tingles like crazy when you put it on. It will even make your lips feel like they're on fire, but it doesn't hurt. It's just like burn. But it's working, and it plumps them up, and it looks nice. Okay, as far as wig details, so I went into the beauty supply store around my way about a month ago, and I saw this wig, and I was obsessed with this because it's actually rose gold. I don't know if you guys could see it in the video, but it's like a platinum, but it has all these pinky streaks going through it. I don't even know if you guys could see that at all. Let me see if I could brighten this. Just brighten it a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could tell. If you guys can't tell, I'm sorry. Let me turn this back down. Alright, so it is a rose gold. It's so pretty. The only thing I didn't notice is when I brought the wig, the lace was a little darker than my skin tone. I didn't realize that. But it's alright. I tried to make it work. You guys could see that it is a little darker. It's like right there. You could see it. I tried to put some concealer right there, try to, like, you know, blend it in a little bit and like push the hairs forward and spray them down to try to blend it. Because babe is like, babe, like, it looks a little dark on your lace line. I'm like, shh, shh. But the wig is a True Line Lace Wig. That's the brand. The style is THL03, and the color is rose gold. Alright, so it says it's 100% hand-tied full lace wig. It is not a full lace wig. The lace goes from here to back here and a little bit here. So it's like kind of like a T type of thing. And then the rest of it, of course, you got like the tracks or whatever. So
Yeah, it's not bad. Usually when I get the lace wigs, the lace front wigs from the beauty supply store, it's literally just like this tiny little tiny portion. So it being here as well, I like that because you'll be able to put the hair up in like a little ponytail or a bun or something, and you don't have to worry about a track or something showing. So this is what the wig looks like. This is not the color that I got rose gold, but that is what it looks like. The name of the company right here is True Line. This wig was 70. Yes, it was $70. And it says that it is heat. Where does it say it? Heat something. I know I read it earlier. Oh, heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I did use heat on it today. I tried to curl the front a little bit. Honestly, it didn't take that well. I just wanted to see how it would react to the heat, but I just kind of like straightened it back out again because it looked a little funny. So I don't think you can actually put curls in this wig. I mean, maybe with some magic fingers, I don't know, but it wasn't working for me, so I just straightened it back out. Like, it got like a little weird and crimpy in the front. I don't know, it was weird, so I just put it back. But I really do like this wig. It says it's pre-plucked, undetectable illusion hairline, sophisticated finish, and natural density, which I do think it does have that. I like the way the front of the wig is. Like, it's very thin right here, as if it were a natural hairline. So I do like that a lot. And honestly, I probably will get another one of these because I don't really care for it not being able to be curled. Like, I just sort of just go for the style the wig is already in. If I wanted a curly wig, I'll just buy a curly wig. But yeah, if you guys want to look up this wig, this is what it looks like. Again, this True Line wig. Here's all the details right here, and I did get the rose gold color, and I don't know if you guys could see, it's so pretty. I love the color, and it feels so soft. It does shed a little bit. Yeah, alright, so enough about the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Here is the eye look. And the BH Cosmetics Naughty palette is an awesome palette. I really like this. This is my first time trying it, and I really liked it. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, I'm going to put my Instagram down here. If you don't follow my Instagram, you don't know. I ordered that palette off of Ulta, and the way they shipped it was horrible. They've never shipped makeup like that before. I feel as though the person who was shipping the makeup, you know, boxing everything, just didn't give a rat's ass that day and just threw the palette in the box with no type of wrapping or bubble wrap or nothing and just shipped it like that. Like, I'm having a bad day, so I'm going to ruin this person's day as well. Because when it arrived to me, 3 of my shadows were broken, and I was so PO'd. But I know how to fix shadows besides matte shadows. It was the metallic ones that were broken. So I fixed them, whatever, and now it's fine. So if they looked a little funny in the palette, that's why I had to kind of like finagle the bagel and fix them. But yeah, I really like the palette. If you guys haven't given it a shot, I suggest you do. It is really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye.